In the relentless rush of modernity, we often find ourselves overwhelmed. With every sunrise comes the pressure to keep up, leaving little room for a moment of calm. As we reach for our devices, the chaos of notifications clouds our thoughts, and we plunge into a cycle of stress and fatigue. This is the hallmark of contemporary living. Yet, amidst this turmoil, it's crucial to recognize that the real issue lies not in the world around us, but in the pace we blindly adopt. Lifestyle-induced issues like anxiety, overscheduling, and endless distractions slowly accumulate, resembling droplets from a leaky faucet. With each passing day, we console ourselves by declaring this struggle as normal, yet a closer examination reveals a disconcerting truth: normalcy does not equate to well-being. Ignoring this accumulation can have devastating effects on our mental and physical health, urging us to redefine our approach. To begin the journey towards balance, the first step is awareness. Take a moment to reflect. When did you last pause without external distractions? In these sacred minutes, we can reset our mornings, savor the silence instead of reaching for screens. Hydrating our bodies, nourishing with wholesome food, and engaging in genuine conversations can rejuvenate our spirit more effectively than mindlessly scrolling through feeds. Simplifying our tasks and protecting our inner peace allows us to carry only what enriches our lives. Life may be challenging, but through conscious choices we can cultivate balance and reclaim our nature. Remember, your lifestyle shapes your existence. Nurture it wisely.